Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Vertex AI pipelines for ML workflow automation, detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up Vertex AI pipelines for ML workflow automation, begin by accessing the Google Cloud Console. Ensure you have permission for the required projects. Create or select an existing project to host your Vertex AI resources. Then, navigate to the Vertex AI section from the left sidebar. Once in the Vertex AI dashboard, click on Pipelines. Select Create Pipeline. Choose a framework that suits your ML needs, such as TensorFlow or PyTorch. Next, you will need to define the components of your pipeline. Each component should represent a step in your ML workflow, like data ingestion, pre-processing, training, or evaluation. You can either create custom components or use existing ones provided by Vertex AI. To create a custom component, you'll need to write a Docker file that specifies the environment and dependencies. After your Docker file is ready, build the Docker image using Google Cloud Build. Once the image is built, upload it to Google Container Registry. Now return to Vertex AI and register your component by specifying the image you just uploaded. After registering your components, you can now define your pipeline itself. Utilize the pipeline definition language, KFP-DSL, to describe how components interact. Begin by importing libraries required for your pipeline. Next, structure your pipeline function to accept parameters relevant to your ML workflow. Inside the function, instantiate the components defined earlier. Connect these components through the pipeline steps, clearly indicating the flow of data. After constructing your pipeline, you will want to package it for deployment. Use the Google Cloud SDK to compile your pipeline definition into a format suitable for Vertex AI. Following that, upload the compiled artifact to your project. Now, proceed to launch the pipeline from the Vertex AI dashboard. Choose the pipeline you just created and configure the runtime parameters. Start the pipeline and monitor its progress in real time from the dashboard. Once the pipeline has completed, review the logs to ensure each component executed as expected. Additionally, evaluate the output generated by your pipeline to validate the performance of your ML model. If adjustments are required, modify the necessary components and redeploy the pipeline. Rerunning the pipeline is just as straightforward, ensuring your workflow remains efficient. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.